Is your mountain home ready for winter? One misstep could mean frozen pipes, power outages, or thousands in damages. Stick around, I'll show you how to protect your home and your wallet before the snow hits. Hey everyone, I'm Gadd from the Property Mindset Podcast, First Tracks Real Estate Group. Today we're diving into something every mountain homeowner needs to think about this time of year: winterizing your property. Whether you live full-time in Fernie or own a cabin down at Koocanusa, preparing for winter isn't just about comfort, it's about protecting one of your biggest investments. Frozen pipes, power outages and costly surprises are totally avoidable with the right plan. So let's go through the essentials for a safe, efficient and stress-free winter. Preventing frozen pipe nightmares. Let's start with the big one, frozen pipes. If your home sits empty for parts of the winter, this is your first priority. Drain and blow out all water lines, especially if your home will be unoccupied. A local plumber can do this quickly, a lot cheaper than repairing a burst line. Add RV antifreeze into your P-traps and toilet bowls. It keeps the system from cracking and prevents odour buildup. Don't forget those tucked away crawl spaces or exterior lines. Wrap or insulate exposed pipes with $50 insulation can save you thousands in repairs. If you're new to mountain home living, this is one of those pay attention now or pay it for later jobs. Securing the exterior fortress. So once your plumbing's protected, step inside. Winter storms in mountain towns can be brutal, so now's the time to give your exterior the once over. Clean gutters and downspouts so melting snow can drain away properly. This prevents ice dams and foundation damage. Have a quick roof inspection. Look for loose shingles and trim any branches that might come down under heavy snow. Then seal the gaps. Windows, doors, even utility openings. A little caulking could go a long way towards keeping heat in and pests out. Think of it as weatherproofing your peace of mind. Powering through winter storms. Here in the mountains, power outages aren't if, they're when. Make sure you have a generator, make sure your generator is serviced and you've got enough fuel for a few days runtime. For critical systems, internet, security, even medical devices, consider battery backups. And don't overlook a simple emergency kit: warm blankets, flashlights, candles, and battery-powered radio. It sounds basic, but being prepared turns a stressful outage into a minor inconvenience. Smart home tech for remote monitoring. If you're not living full-time in Fernie or Koocanusa home, smart home tech can be a total game changer. Smart thermostats with freeze alerts let you monitor and adjust your home's temperature right from your phone. Water leak detectors send instant app notifications if something goes wrong. Perfect for those midwinter getaways. And security cameras with motion detection means you can keep an eye on things and deter unwanted visitors, human or animal. Just think of it as having a caretaker in your pocket. So final walkthrough and peace of mind. Before you lock up for the season or settle in for the winter, do one last walkthrough. Check every appliance and pilot light to ensure safe operation. Set your thermostat to a consistent low temperature, not off. Around 12 to 15 degrees is a sweet spot to prevent freezing while conserving energy. If you're leaving town, notify a neighbour or a local property manager. Have someone keep an eye on your home. Having someone keep an eye on your home adds an extra level of security and peace of mind. The winter in the mountains is incredible. Skiing, cozy fires, that peaceful quiet, but it only stays magical if your home is ready for it. If you'd like a winterization checklist or local service recommendations, plumbers, HVAC or property managers, please just reach out. I'll send you my personal Fernie winter prep guide. So stay warm, stay safe and enjoy this winter season. So as always, I am Gadd. This is the Property Mindset Podcast with First Tracks Real Estate Group. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed and keep building your property mindset.